Hello everyone, I'm lead forecaster Finnegan Gruggett here at the MEM9 Weather Storm Center for your latest video forecast, looking at your latest weather almanac for today. Today we should see a high temperature right around 32 degrees overnight tonight, right around 23 degrees in the metro, a little cooler in outlying areas, and on average we see a high temperature of 55 degrees with a low temperature of 37 degrees, so we are going to be well below average today. A record high temperature of 76 degrees set back in 1976, as well as a record low temperature of 5 degrees set back in 1940. Currently across the region, as we look at current temperatures are currently in the upper 20s and lower 30s at the current time. Temperatures should begin to fall later this afternoon going into the evening hours, and as we look live out towards the Germantown area, this view is courtesy of WRAG TV. You can see the icicles hanging down from the camera, and we are still looking at some sleet and snow and ice on the roadways, but the sun's definitely helping that out as we see some of that melt. But overnight tonight, we may see a refreeze, so some areas could still be dealing with some hazardous travel. So as we take a look at live pinpoint Doppler HD, a clean sweep across the area at the current time, but as we take a regional look, you can see we continue to see spotty cloud cover across the area, but off towards our northwest near the Wichita area, there's some snowfall, and that's going to push our direction. And later tonight, going into the very early tomorrow morning, some areas could be picking up some light snowfall. Even areas that pick up the light snowfall, you may even see a light dusting, but that's going to be determined if you see snowfall tomorrow. It looks like mainly north of the Mississippi-Tennessee line at the current time, and maybe even further north, so that's something we are going to be monitoring over the next several hours. So as we take a look at your daily planner for the rest of today, at 3 p.m. partly sunny skies right around 30 degrees, maybe a little warmer in some spots. By 6 p.m. mostly cloudy skies as temperatures approach the mid to lower 30s, 32 degrees with partly sunny skies. Then as we push into the evening hours, right around 9 p.m. mostly cloudy skies with temperatures falling in the mid to upper 20s. So taking a look at your forecast for the rest of this afternoon, you can see partly cloudy skies, little melting across the area, high temperature of 32 degrees, winds towards the west right around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Then overnight tonight, 23 degrees in the metro, cooler in outlying areas, southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, but those winds should begin to diminish and the sun should set right around 5:41, and you can see some flurries, even some light snow cannot be ruled out off towards the north, and a light dusting cannot be completely ruled out either. Looking at your forecast again for the afternoon across the entire region, 32 degrees in the metro area, 32 degrees across northern Mississippi. Little Rock's going to be sitting at 36 degrees. So overnight tonight, 23 degrees in the Memphis metro area, 24 degrees across northern Mississippi. Little Rock's also going to be at 24 degrees again. We can't rule out those flurries and maybe even some light snow north of the Mississippi-Tennessee line. Even a light dusting cannot be entirely ruled out, but the best potential right now appears to be north of I-40, but some areas south of I-40 could see maybe some light snow flurries as you head out the door. Tomorrow morning, day 8 through 14 outlook, we will be dealing with well below average temperatures over the next 8 to 14 days, and your 5-day forecast is looking cold, 29 degrees for your Wednesday. Low temperatures will be in the single digits. Then as we approach Thursday, mostly sunny skies. Temperatures, though, will be in the mid-20s for high temperatures with lows in the upper teens. As we approach Friday, it appears that we could start off with a wintry mix throughout the morning hours on Friday, but as we approach the afternoon and evening hours, that's going to be switching to rain, and the rain's going to be lasting into the day on Saturday. Heavy rainfall at times, and as we take a look at your forecast for Sunday, maybe even a light wintry mix during the morning hours as we see that system move out of the area. Don't forget, you can log on to our Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube page, as well as our website, mem9weather.com. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to email me at finnegang@mem9weather.com. I'm lead forecaster Finnegan Gruggett here at the MEM9 Weather Storm Center. Stay tuned.